ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa has confirmed that the co-option of Harare Province member Dr. Kudakwashe Tagwirei into the ruling party's Central Committee will be formally adopted in the next Central Committee meeting, settling weeks of speculation and controversy. Sanabeda mashoko oshamisa vanhu panguva ino uchanokwanzi Chinamasa declare Tagwirei Central Committee entry amid mounting backlash. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tikipinda aiwa mustatement ya Patrick Chinamasa panguva ino mubudani kwa mchinzi. ZANU-PF Department of Legal Affairs is relieved that and it takes note that the controversy / confusion / wrangle much ado about nothing, social media hype, misinformation, disinformation that surrounded the Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC co-option of Comrade Kudakwashe Tagwirei into the ZANU-PF Central Committee is now over and irreversibly settled. From the outset, it was difficult to understand the source of the problem. Our Harare PCC confirmed on Monday 31 March 2025 and voted to recommend the co-option of Comrade Tagwirei into the Central Committee. The province addressed the letter of recommendation to the ZANU-PF Central Secretary General, Comrade Dr. Obet Moses Mpofu. The letter was coupled to the departments of the Commissariat and Legal Affairs, amongst others. The National Political Commissar, Comrade Mnangagwa Machacha, tabled the recommendation at the 384th ordinary session of the Politburo held at ZANU-PF headquarters on Wednesday, 2nd July 2025, and the co-option of Comrade Tagwirei into the ZANU-PF Central Committee was approved, pending reporting to the Central Committee for adoption. There was no objection in the Politburo meeting to the recommendation by Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee. When the 305th ordinary session of the Politburo set on Wednesday, 30th of July 2025, at the ZANU-PF headquarters, and with the Vice President and Second Secretary General retired CGDN Chiwenga chairing, the Politburo confirmed its minutes of the 384th meeting, in brackets, prepared by the Secretary General Dr. Obet Mpofu, with minor amendments confirmed without amendment on page 22 of the Politburo minute, was item 717 headed, co-option by Harare Province, which reads, the NPC indicated that prior to the issuance of the aforementioned co-option, correspondence on co-options, some provinces including Harare had already completed the process. In the regard, Comrade Kudakwashe Tagwirei was co-opted by Harare Province and is now a Central Committee member. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino patiri kuona kuti aiwa vakomana panguva ino voya vachifinaliza the co-option yaKudakwashe Tagwirei. Ameno panguva ino pari kuona kunzi there is another Central Committee meeting ichaitiwa pachazonyatsoitwa fully co-opted. Ameno zvichapira mushe here muchiziva kuti kune vanhu vasingadi his co-option vakaita sana VP Costa Chiwenga nana Christopher Muchangwa nemamwe mafactions. Tudze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.